Welcome to CERT Exams YouTube channel. In this video we will learn what is data encapsulation and decapsulation. Data encapsulation and decapsulation are processes that occur at each layer of the OSI model to prepare data for transmission over a network and to receive data at the receiving end. Data encapsulation refers to the process of adding a header, and sometimes a trailer, to the data being transmitted at each layer of the OSI model. The header contains control information that helps the data to be transmitted correctly and efficiently over the network. At each layer, the data is encapsulated within a header specific to that layer. The encapsulated data is then passed down to the next lower layer until it reaches the physical layer, where it is transmitted as a bit stream. Decapsulation, on the other hand, refers to the process of removing the headers and trailers from the received data at each layer of the OSI model. This process is the reverse of encapsulation, as the headers are removed layer by layer until the original data is obtained. At each layer, the control information contained in the header is used to ensure that the data has been transmitted correctly and to perform any necessary error detection or correction. Here, we understand some terminology used in the OSI model. Bits, the smallest unit of data that can be transmitted or processed by a computer. A bit is a single binary digit that can represent either a 0 or a 1. Frames. In data communication, a frame is a unit of data that is transmitted between devices in a network. A frame typically includes a header, which contains information about the sender, receiver, and data included in the frame, as well as a trailer that contains error-checking information. Packets. A packet is a unit of data that is transmitted over a network. A packet typically consists of a header that includes information about the source and destination addresses, as well as the protocol used to transmit the packet, and a payload that contains the actual data being transmitted. Segments. A segment is a portion of data that is transmitted over a network, typically between two network endpoints. A segment may consist of one or more packets or frames, depending on the network protocol being used. Data refers to any information that is in a digital format and can be stored, processed, and transmitted by a computer. It can be any type of information, such as text, numbers, images, audio, video, and more. Data is the raw material that is used to create meaningful information and knowledge. Overall, data encapsulation and decapsulation are essential processes that enable data to be transmitted over a network using the OSI model. They allow data to be properly formatted and transmitted between devices, regardless of the types of hardware or software they are using. Thank you for watching. Do check out other videos on various networking fundamental topics on our channel. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update from us.